Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's class. Let's start today's class with the quote: winners do not do different things, winners do things differently. Today we will be discussing the pre-reproductive events in angiosperms, the gametogenesis of microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. You may get a diagram based questions for labeling in the board exams. So here it goes. In the first part, we will be discussing the microsporogenesis, that is the formation of pollen grains. The site of production is sporogenous tissues or special cells called MMCs, microspore mother cells. You can see the schematic diagram of an anther TS and showing the connective. You may get a diagram based question for labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the histological perspective of various layered arrangement showing the different parts of epidermis, endothecium, middle layers, tapetum, MMC. Coming to the next part of megasporogenesis, you may get a diagram based question for labeling showing the embryo sac, and it will be formed from the nucleus tissue from a single MMC, megaspore mother cell, and the process is called monosporic development, that is formation of megaspore. Okay, drawing and labeling of the various parts and the functions, starting from the stalk, micropyle, the opening, and the filiform apparatus, finger-like projections in the synergids, the egg cells in the center, and the central cell with the central nuclei, and antipodals on the top with the callosal end. Okay, so we will be discussing it in drawing and labeling and identifying the parts and functions of gametogenesis, the pre-reproductive events. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.